which is the one that's still holding its gains. But look, it's the only one here. If you compare this to Amazon, Amazon hit its level. This one hasn't. I still think there's a little bit more upside to about 380 on Alphabet before this tops out. But that's an impressive move on Alphabet, up about 7% on a $4+ trillion market cap company. And again, it still has a little bit more juice to be squeezed out of this chart before it becomes a heavy sell right in there. Now, flipping over to NVIDIA, look at this, guys.